Meet Joshua, possibly the most intelligent animal on Earth. So far, the only animals considered by scientists to be self-actualized or self-aware are great apes and dolphins, those with large brains who are considered empathetic. Recently, one elephant, and only one, who is appropriately named Happy, has also achieved this status by singularly touching her trunk to an X on her forehead while looking into a mirror. Indeed, recognizing oneself in a mirror is the accepted criteria for proving self-awareness or self-actualization. Joshua, the Congo African Grey, shows both empathy and self-actualization, as you cannot help but see. When I cry, he sobs. He even sobs when someone cries on television. When I am sad, he comes and kisses me and quietly presses his sweet beak against my cheek until I feel better. He even helps challenge students to learn to read. In the following control, you will see that without a stimulus, Joshua is totally unaware that there is something stuck to his back.
Jesus is Lord.
Now the mirror sequence begins with a control in which there is nothing on Joshua's back. He is unconcerned with his reflection. When he sees something stuck to him in the mirror, he removes it. I was absolutely ecstatic when I was viewing these videos of Joshua for the first time and he was watching from atop my head. He said, "Hi, Joshua," upon seeing himself on video. Though he had answered to Joshua since he was a pink, naked baby, this was the very first time he said, "Hi, Joshua." Now, whenever I show the videos of him, he jabbers away, saying, "There's Joshua. Joshua's a good bird. Hi, Joshua," and on and on.
Water? Water?
There is now water on TV. That's what he is saying water about. Once again, this part, this is a control in which Joshua is shown a photograph with nothing on his back. He does not reach around to his back. Here, he's shown a photograph of a brick. He loves to chew up paper, and he immediately begins chewing on this picture, but he never chews up pictures of himself.
And turn the entire world into a barren wasteland.
As you can see, when he sees a picture with a feather, he reaches around to his back to remove it. Here is another example that proves that when he does not see a photograph or a mirror image, he is unaware there is a feather stuck to his back.
I came here. Look at just his skin. He's got loose skin that hangs down here. And all that loose skin is because he used to be bigger.
When he gets over his fascination with the camera,
Definitely some of my best memories are with this guy.
and he looks at the picture,
It's tough to say goodbye to him because it's real goodbye.
he sees there's a feather on his
dying,
back.
this guy.
Good bird.
More
It's
camera
something the larger,
fascination.
stronger mammal-like reptiles are missing.
This is the most difficult
Another
pose
advantage this little species
because it
has
is from an
its
angle
social
he's
structure.
never seen
Like
in a
many of
mirror.
today's small mammals,
I
the
took
Mastodon
this
lives in a supportive
5x7
group of family
from
and
above.
neighbors.
But it did not fool
This animal
Joshua.
was denning. It probably had young.
We
in
have
that
to
den.
see that one again.
And it's something the larger, stronger mammal-like reptiles are missing. Another advantage this little species has
That's
is its
my
social
Joshua.
structure. Like many of today's small mammals,
The most
the
intelligent
Mastodon lives in a
bird
supportive
in the
group
world.
of family and neighbors.
And I'm not prejudiced.
This animal was denning.
Thank the Lord.
It probably had young in that den.